Okay, hello my dear students. Now in this class we have to learn about the properties of rational numbers. Okay, but before the discussion of properties of rational number, first we have to discuss about the associative property for integers. Okay, after that we have to discuss about the associative property for rational numbers. Okay, in earlier class we already discussed about the associative property for whole numbers. Whole numbers in all operations, means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, now in this class we have discussed about the associative property for integers. Okay, now I have to choose any three integers. Okay, now I choose -2, 4 and -3. These are the three integers. Okay, so in earlier class or in last class you already know the general form of associative property. Okay, what is the general form of associative property? In addition, see here, just recall this knowledge. Okay, or recall this concept. See here, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Is it right? This is the general form of associative property. Next, put these three integers in this general form. See here, -2, -2 is equal to -2 plus b is equal to 4 or plus c is equal to -3. So therefore here we have to write in the bracket -3. In the bracket -3, is it right? Is equal to a is equal to -2 in the bracket -2 plus b is equal to 4 bracket complete plus c is equal to -3. Is it right? Now I have to take this is square bracket. Okay, or box bracket. Is it right? So now we have to simplify the general form. See here, -2 plus 4 -3. 4 3 1. Is it right? 4 3 1 is equal to see here, -2 plus 4. So therefore 4 2. So here 2 plus in the bracket -3. In the bracket -3. Is it right? See here, -2 plus 1 -1. Is it right? So subtract 1 from 2. Okay, and take sign, the greater number sign is minus. Is it right? So therefore here -1 is equal to -3 plus 2. First we have to subtract smaller one from the bigger one. Is it right? So 3 minus 2, 1. Then take sign. Which number sign? Greatest number sign. 3 is the greatest in between them. So greatest number sign is minus. Take me here minus. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it right? -1 is left hand side, -1 is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So therefore the addition is associative for integers. Our remark is the addition is associative for integers. Addition is associative for integers. Is it right? Addition is associative for integers. Now we have to discuss about the next operation. Next operation is subtraction. Okay, so before that you have to note down this tabular column. Okay, see, this is subtraction operation in associative property for integers. Okay, first we have to write the general form of associative property in subtraction. A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. A minus in the bracket of B minus C is equal to in the bracket of A minus B bracket complete minus C. So take A is equal to minus 2 minus in the bracket B is equal to 4 minus in the bracket minus 3 bracket complete is equal to in the bracket is equal to minus 2 in simple bracket minus 2 minus B is equal to 4 bracket complete minus in the bracket minus 3. Is that right? Now we have to simplify the general form. How it is? Okay, see here. Minus 2. Write minus 2 as it is and solve next bracket. Is it right? So minus in the bracket, see here. Minus into minus plus. So therefore here 4 plus minus into minus plus. So plus 3 bracket complete is equal to in the bracket, see here. Minus 2 and minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4. Next here minus in the bracket minus 3. See here. Minus into minus plus. Is it right? Minus into minus plus. So plus 3. Now here minus 2 and 4 plus 3 7. 4 plus 3 7 and this minus here minus 7 is equal to minus 2 minus 6. Sorry, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Is it right? Minus 6 plus 3. 2 plus 7 9. So here minus 9. Is it right? Is equal to minus 3 plus 3 minus 3. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So both are not equal. Minus 9 is not equal to minus 3. So therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So our remark is it concludes the subtraction is not associativity for which number? Integers. Okay, subtraction is not associativity for integers. Subtraction is not associativity for integers. Okay, and you can check this associativity property by taking the different integers. Okay, you have to take 3 minus 3 6 and minus 4. You have to take these three integers, okay, and check the associative property in subtraction. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, please note down this homework. Okay, by taking these three integers, you check the associative property in addition. Okay, for integer numbers. Is it right? So we shall start here. In the next class, we have to discuss about the more operations, means multiplication and division. The associative property of integers in multiplication operation and division operation. Okay, thank you.